Hello student, welcome to Mech Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the GAIL engineer trainee recruitment. What was the process of recruitment of GAIL in engineer trainee? Some passing criteria, so you need to fulfill that, and what was the selection process. All the basic details, all these three details we will discuss in this video. So you need to stay at the end of the video, and if you have any type of doubt, mention in a comment box. So let's begin with that. Aware of that, GAIL is also recruitment is going on through this year as well, based on GATE 21. But now GAIL has been released the notification about next year, which is happening in 2022, for the post of executive trainee in instrumentation, mechanical, and executive trainee in electrical branches. So what is the minimum essential qualification for each and every branches? They have mentioned over there. For the mechanical, you need to have a degree in mechanical production and industrial and manufacturing, and mechanical and automobile, with minimum 65% marks in your graduation. Remember that these are the minimum criteria which you need to qualify it. Going ahead with the relaxation of percentage and educational qualification. For the SC, ST and PWD, the minimum marks you need to score is 60 in a graduation, and for the open candidate or unreserved candidate, you need to secure minimum 65% marks in your graduation. Going ahead with that, they have mentioned some term and condition. Only full-time regular courses are applicable, so you need to qualify the minimum percentage of marks which they have mentioned earlier. Going ahead with that, they have also mentioned that the candidate who are in a final year like 21-22, they are also eligible, or those who candidate dual degree program like BE, BTech plus ME and MTech degree in a dual integrated course for 5 years. They have also eligible to fill that form, but make sure that you have minimum acquired the 65% marks for the unreserved category OBC and 60% marks for the PWD and SC/ST candidate. And remember that there is a most important point, like candidate who have completed the bachelor degree in engineering technology in a relevant discipline, which they have mentioned earlier, in the year of 2020 or earlier than 2020. Like if you have passed in 2019, 18 or 20, even though 2020 are not eligible for the applying the executive trainee in GAIL. So this is the most important point which I have mentioned over here. The candidate who has passed the bachelor degree in 2020 or earlier than 2020, they are not eligible for applying the executive trainee post. If you have applied, then after clearing the first stage, they have a document verification. So in that case, you are not eligible to fill that form. So you are not eligible to go ahead with the next steps. So you need to make sure that you have fulfilled the minimum requirement while filling this form. Going ahead with the government process, they have pay scale will be varies as per the 7th pay scale, and they will also provide the allowance, variable pay, other benefits like company accommodation, HRA, medical facility. All these benefits is applicable to employee once you have selected in an organization. What was the placement and assignment? The candidate who has selected in an organization in GAIL, you will be undergoing a training for 1 year, and they have authority to move any of the subsidiaries or joint venture of GAIL in India. So you are not have any issue with that. That's why they have already mentioned over here. Going ahead with the medical fitness and health, GAIL, the person who is selected in an organization in a final interview, then before appointment they have undergoing with the medical fitness. So if the candidate are fit as per the prescribed condition by the organization or company, then they have appointed in a company on a regular basis. If the candidate has not fit for the organization, they have, or temporary unfit, they have a certain time duration on which you need to go, and if you have after within a duration, if you have a retest for your health, if you are fulfilled for the requirement, then you will absorbed as a permanent employee. Going ahead with that, they have mentioned that what was the process for selection. They have mentioned like GATE 22 score is the basic criteria for selection of executive trainee in instrumentation, mechanical and electrical for the year of 2022. So they have mentioned that for the post or discipline you need to go under with the gate IN code. For executive mechanical they go with the code ME. For executive trainee electrical they go with the code EE. Going ahead with that, they have mentioned that what was the gate criteria. The online application for the gate is started on the 30th of August, and the last date for fulfill is 24th of August, and for opening the GAIL recruitment process will be 15th of February once the gate examination has been over, and the last date for submission of online application is 16th of March 2022. So they have mentioned all the basic details in detailed advertisement. If you have still any doubt, mention in a comment box. If you want to give the feedback to our videos, then mention over there itself. And if you have any type of suggestion, do mention, because I'll try to read each and every comments of each and every student. So if you like our videos, then subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.